Yo, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I want to give you guys another update on the market from a technical perspective. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into it. Now, firstly, we are going to take a look at the dollar index, and then from there we're going to work our way further down. Now, if you have followed the breakdown that I did on Sunday, you would have seen that the market again went exactly as anticipated. We expected that pullback in the market. The market also printed this inverted head and shoulders pattern, and this pattern is considered a bullish pattern from a technical perspective. So from here, we obviously expect the market to continue higher and hit that level that I have been speaking about previously as well. Guys, there's 170 people in the free Telegram group. Every time a video that I do upload hits 100 likes, I will share with you a trade that I have taken, or a setup that I have taken, or a trade that I'm looking to take. All right, it should be very easy. There's 170, I think 180 people in that group. We just need 100 likes on the video. For every video that I post that gets 100 likes, there will be a setup or a trade posted that I am taking, and you can get into it as well. So if I post 5 videos, all of those 5 videos should be able to get 100 likes, because there is 170 people in that group. And then every time that video hits 100 likes, that means you'll be able to get 5 of my trades every week, and it doesn't even cost you anything. Now let's go straight into the video. Once again, like I said, I do expect this market now, after the right shoulder has been completed, I do expect this market now to continue higher, to go and hit that level over there to complete the inverted head and shoulders pattern as well. And don't forget, once we hit 10k subs, I will also be revealing the rules of the strategy that I trade. Next up, we've got Euro USD. Euro USD went up exactly as anticipated. However, the market did break right through this structural area, and I was hoping the market would give us this inverted head and shoulders pattern. What we have over here now is a market that is trading in bullish territory. Why? Because the market had now broken above resistance and came back, tested it as support. Support did not hold. Then the market went back to hit resistance, broke above resistance, then came back to retest, continued higher, and printed an equal high. Now, because we're looking for a sell in this market, the best thing to do is to wait for this current daily candle to close. Now you can obviously see this is the structure that the market had rejected, and this also far-fetched look like another head and shoulders pattern that we could potentially trade over here. The market created support, broke below support, tested it as resistance. We had that liquidity wipe above the structural area over here. The market came back, tested as support, support did not hold. The market then went back to test it as resistance, and the resistance didn't, as we can see, is not holding. So I do expect the market to pull back as well. It might look like we do have a trending market over here just by the look of things. But unfortunately, I do not trade these trend lines. However, it looks so visible, like it looks so easy to yeah, that's very easy for the eye to catch over there. So like I said, from here I do expect a pullback probably till there. Then I'll give you guys another update on the market, depending on what kind of price action we have. This week is filled with a lot of news, so be careful as well. So here we had that red candle that got printed, but other than that, nothing else had happened. What we have over here is the market also trading above a very important structure over here. This level over here acted as support, resistance. Market broke above that. Resistance came back, tested it as support. Because we're expecting a stronger dollar, it would probably be not advisable to look for any selling opportunities at this level. The best level to look for these sells will either be at that level or a break below this level, because as we know, we can only sell in bearish territory. So this is basically what I will be looking for, a market that continue higher. If it doesn't continue higher, then by all means as well, depending on what kind of daily close we do get on the index today. Also, next up, we do have German 30. So German 30 over here, like I said earlier, in the group, I do expect this market to continue higher, and this is basically where I will see this market go back up to. We did break above this very important structure over here, so I do expect this continuation to the upside, pull back, and then a further continuation. And doing so, will this market also print what's known as an inverted head and shoulders pattern, which is considered a bullish pattern from a technical perspective. Next up, we've got the Nasdaq 100. The Nasdaq also started that one green candle, but then we can see how the market is starting to move further to the upside. There is now a further move up expected that I do expect. Again, you guys must just be very mindful of the war that's currently going on, and this also impacts the market, so it's important that you keep your eyes on that as well. We've got 3 green candles over here. This is the gap that I would assume that the market came to close. There we go. You can see this was the gap that the market actually came to fill over here, and we had that pullback. We had the structure. This is now the 4-hour, and this is basically where we are now. Now, from a 4-hour perspective, I would probably say a clear break above that level would give us room for the market to continue higher. I'm going to hit that previous level of support that is now acting as a level of resistance. Next up, we've got the Dow Jones. As you can see, Dow Jones also went exactly as anticipated. And what I would like to see over here is a clear close below this level where we are at the moment, right there, and then from there we can monitor the price action once again, and I do expect this pullback down. However, if this daily candle does close above the structural level, then I do expect this market to continue higher first. So while waiting for this daily candle to close, and then last but not least, we do have gold as well. Now, if you remember, I did speak about gold many times, and this is basically still the same setup that I've had on Sunday. We had the start of that pullback, however the market hasn't gone any further. Next up, let's go through some of the questions that I have received over here. Let's go up. Here we go. To the T, thank you. Hey, Mr. Zach, mind making a video on impulse and correction phases? I think I've made that. Just go check out the video called Market Structure. I've made that video on there. Next up is Mr. Transay. Love your forex analysis. Thank you. Thanks for the update, bro. You're welcome. Yo, Jack, I'm a great fan of your work. I want to say I love the score. Yeah, I was trying to be unique, you know. My analysis, Bafana is saying my analysis are in line correctly as yours most of the time. Like on this video, problem is entering, should I say executing during the week forward. Should I say executing? Might hop on that. So I have also done a video on that. It's called Sniper Entries. I've done 2 videos on that. The first one you should actually go watch. That's the one that's going to give you some help. Guys, don't forget, okay, it's easy to see the kind of trades I take. 100 likes on the video. There's 170 people in that group actively. All you have to do is make sure you click that like button and you watch the video. That is all from my side. Thank you for your time. And as always, cheers for ears.